YouTube. So today I'm wearing Adam's apparel. Let me show you the back because she got the scripture. Boom. But today I'm going to be going through a quick little transformation. It's not going to be like a vlog because you guys know I don't do like big vlogs. Don't mind that I was eating before I recorded. But today I will be dyeing my hair this cognac color. Let me go get it. I'll be back. I'm going to show y'all. Wait, just wait. Boom shaka like a boom. I'm back again with another banger. No, just playing. But I have bought this. Actually, this is, how you say this? Clairol. The other box that I used before was Cream of Nature, but I know Clairol do sell like bleaching products, and I do use a bleach end product. So I'm dyeing my hair this cognac color, which is a 4C color. My roots are black, so hopefully the results, I mean like medium brown, so hopefully the results of my hair turns this color right here. You guys can't really see it because the quality of my camera isn't that good, obviously, but you guys know I like low quality stuff sometimes, you know, so I can't cap to y'all about that. So I'm gonna be dyeing my hair this color, and I'm using permanent hair dye because I really like this color, this cognac color. I like the I really love like the autumn colors. My hair wasn't this color at first, but since all of the semi-permanent hair dye had rinsed out, my hair has been left like this, and I'm not liking it. I'm feeling real rough lately, and I'm like, okay, let me get your girl together for the next week, because you guys know how about them braids. Y'all already know they going into the World Series, so I gotta make sure I look right and tight for this week, because your girl is probably gonna be having to work back to back. So I'm going to be twisting my hair up, and as you guys can see, I have like these shells in my hair. Okay, and I really like this hairstyle, but I'm still feeling rough. I'm ready to actually dye my hair, retwist my roots. I'm probably gonna put these back in, but as you guys know, this is the first or second month with my chunky locks, and I'm just hoping that they are locking really well. I know some of them at the end aren't like super locked, but I know since they've been in for like a month and I was wetting my hair a lot, doing a lot of stuff, I know that me trying to pull them apart is not gonna happen, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, I'm really ready to see the results, and the results after I retwist my hair. I'm going to be re-dyeing my eyebrows too, because it's been a month later and everything has grown back, grew out, fell out. Not saying my hair fell out, I'm just saying like the color fell out. And your girl ready to look way too sexy for this shirt. Too sexy for this girl. Yeah, and Halloween coming up, so your girl want to look good for Halloween. So I'm going to touch myself up today, give myself a little love, and I'm going to show you guys the results when I come back, because this is not a tutorial. This is just me coming to y'all. Then I'm going to show y'all the end result of when everything is said and done. And yes, period. So I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Peace! What's up, YouTube? I know I look crazy right now, but look, y'all, the hair is currently processing. I don't know what color. What the? Oh, I thought I got hair dye everywhere the way I flicked it back. But don't mind how I look. I know I look crazy, but I dyed my eyebrows and my hair. I just got finished. I gotta wait 30 minutes, so I gotta put this bag over my head for 30 minutes. I'm gonna rinse it off, and I'm gonna let my eyebrows sit for 30 minutes too. So hopefully when I take it off, your girl still got eyebrows. I think I'm liking this color. Like, look at the glow already. Like, honey, yes. Don't mind all this. But So I'm gonna wait 30 minutes, and as you guys can see, my locks is still hanging in there. Some of them kind of like trying to detangle at the end, but that's okay because we're gonna fix that. Like that one right here, y'all see it? It's trying to detangle at the end, but it's okay. It's either I'm gonna do me a retwist tonight. Sorry, y'all. Hold on. Okay. So if I don't do me a retwist tonight, I'm probably gonna do my retwist later in the week. But I'm hoping to do my retwist tonight because it doesn't take me long to do my hair for retwist. Probably take me about an hour, 2 hours at the most. So if I do once I rinse my hair, I'll probably get done by like 9, 10. After that, I gotta clean my room and stuff. But I'm really liking how it's looking. So when I wash my hair out, and I like the way my hair looks when it's the way it is, I'm gonna keep it like that, or I'm gonna just do my retwist. But yeah, I'm gonna wait this 30 minutes. So this is like the result after I dye my hair. Don't mind all the hair dye on my forehead because my baby hairs come down to like right here, and they're currently blonde. So I'm trying to make sure I get my baby hairs and my edges at the same time because I want to make sure everything is the same color and everything. It's not my fault that they be all the way down there. So I'm trying to make sure that those turn. So hopefully once I rinse my hair off, it's not super hopefully my hairline isn't like super red and all this dye isn't right there. If it is, I know it'll rinse off, and I'm gonna try to scrub it with some alcohol to get it off. But yeah, I think I'm gonna really like this color. I'm trying to find me a color that I really like and want to continue to do throughout whenever I'm choosing to go back black, that complements my skin, that's very like, very nice. And I think I'm liking this color, this cognac color. I was trying to go with this orangey color. I'm gonna show you guys the color I'm trying to achieve, but I went to the beauty supply with only $20, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have to just get some permanent dye instead of me trying to get two dyes of what's the name. So this is the hair color I'm trying to achieve. I'm not sure if it's gonna turn this color, but we're hoping it will because on the box it showed it might turn that color. So if it turns like a red color, I'm not gonna be mad. But at the same time, it's looking purple black. So I don't know what my hair is gonna turn to. So this is just gonna be a little journey. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk our ears off. I'll be back once I rinse all of this off in my eyebrows, and I'll show y'all the results. And if I end up if I end up doing a retwist, I'll come back and show you the results of my retwist too. So alright y'all, see y'all later, and yeah, peace. Alright y'all, so look at the color of my hair. I like it though. It turned like a red color actually, but when I was washing my hair, it was a little bit darker. But I think I was kind of like washing the color out. I don't know, but it's gonna show more when it dries. Some of my two strands was coming down, but I think I'm gonna retwist my hair tonight and see the results tomorrow or something, when my hair like dry up and it's twisted. But I'm impressed. So I'm gonna be back, y'all, after like the retwist done and stuff. So yeah. Hey y'all, so look, this my hair after I retwisted it. Look really nice. I'm really impressed. I like this side better than this side. Because this side, hold on, I'm trying to fix it. There you go. This side is thicker. This side is thicker than the other side because when I did my chunky locks the first time, I had ended up dyeing my hair on top of the locks, and then I was snatching some of them apart. So some of them still stayed because some of them were actually locked together. And then I did the chunky starter locks again with the bleached hair, so it became uneven on the sides, but it's okay. I don't be tripping. It still look cute at the end of the day. But yeah, I'm really impressed with this color. But I just sprayed some Gots to Be Goo spray on top of my hair. Cause my hair is still wet. So I'm gonna just go to sleep with my hair wrapped up. Take the clips out in the morning and style my hair with some hair pieces. And I'll come back to you guys and share the finished results tomorrow when I gotta get ready for work. So, peace out. Much love. Ari. Alright, look y'all, my hair done. And I put these butterfly little rings in my hair. I was gonna put more rings, but I'm like, no, I'm gonna just put the butterfly rings in. You know, not do too much. And I'm very, very impressed. Like, look at the brow. Do the eyebrow thing. Do the eyebrow thing. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ah! Look at the necklace that I made today, too. But yeah, I'm so impressed. Let me try to get y'all 360. This is the front. Back. Side. This side is like, I'm waiting for it to grow out so it can match this side of my hair. But this side is long, so this side looks like that. But, yes, sir. So, I'm kind of late for work. So, I gotta hurry up, get ready. Make me like one more TikTok before I go. And then I'm gonna head out to work because I'm late. So, I'm gonna be kind of late today. But it's okay. Fashionably late. And I'm impressed. I'm happy about it. So, the only thing I'm not late to is photo shoots and fashion show. But, alright, y'all. See y'all. I'm gonna come back and show y'all how my hair does after the day. This is the best retwist I ever did. But I'm gonna show y'all my hair after the day is over. So, see y'all later. Peace out. Zone 6. I'm just playing.